Today in this video I will tell you how to add WhatsApp link button. When someone click on the button, they will access your WhatsApp chat very soon. First of all, you have to open the Elementor builder. In this Elementor builder, you have to see the plus button, add elements plus button. Click on the plus button and search here, search widget, WhatsApp widget. Here you have to search a button. Drag this into the section where you want to add. So when we add the button, you click on the pencil button, add it, and you can put any message you want. I would like to message now. You can put it here, WhatsApp now. You can add whatever what you want. In this link you should have a code with your number. For example, you can go to the Google and search me code WhatsApp me code. WhatsApp me, this is the code. You can add, copy and paste this link in link section below the text. Here you can add your number. For example, 92347581, whatever number you have with country code, you can add this. Someone click on the button, they will access your WhatsApp very soon. I will add my number 0344719 I will add random number. So below that you can add the icon library. Choose a WhatsApp, insert, go to the style and increase the WhatsApp size, WhatsApp button length, whatever you want. You can change this. You can change their color, text color and background color, whatever you want. It's your choice. Here you can add this. This is the way you can add the WhatsApp number in any section in Elementor. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe. Thank you.